Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Yeah, with Solana still being under pressure, selling pressure, I have to assume that we are still working on this wave 4 correction. Yesterday, if you remember, the possibility certainly existed. I mean, it still exists, but it's low probability now. But the possibility was there that wave 4 already bottomed, but that would have required some further upside momentum before a break of support. Now that support level is now broken. It was around $179. So I have to assume the wave 4 is actually still unfolding. And there are I see two main pathways that the price could take. The first one, just a very straightforward ABC structure to the downside that might be unfolding here, in which, yeah, we could reach this area around the 50% retracement and 100% extension. Yeah. So obviously there are two levels. So first of all, the 50% retracement level is typically an ideal support level for a fourth wave. In addition to that, what we can also do is to, measure the length of the A wave and then compare that with the length of the C wave. And it is the 100% extension, which is very relevant. So you see, there is an area of confluence, I would call it, two levels that meet, that are very close together. Yeah, if we see this C wave to the downside as unfolding right now, this is an area of interest, and the price could easily get to that level. And then we'll see if we see any kind of reaction there. Okay, so these levels typically act as magnets, and because we've already reached the 38.2 retracement, but there's obviously no real bottoming confirmation, even though this initial 5-wave move up was somewhat promising. We would watch for the next level to be reached, okay? So that would be an ABC structure. Also, what I definitely see as one other scenario that could apply here is we might be dealing with a triangle: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. Something I'm introducing now, basically just for educational purposes. It is not high probability, just something else to watch for. If we see a larger bounce from here and we still form a lower high, it might be a triangle that's forming here. That's possible as well. But yeah, we'll see. Okay. I'm just highlighting, look, there are other scenarios that could obviously still occur here. The price has not broken yet below the Friday low. That would be needed next to confirm further that a wave 4 has bottomed. But anyway, we are still, this is just like discussing microstructures. What is really important is that we get any sort of impulsive upside reversal before the price breaks below $160. And we're still quite far away from that support. Solana is short-term under pressure, but I can tell you that any break above the Monday high, the 28th, would be a breakout signal to the upside. I mean, there is no need to form another low. It's just likely, okay, based on the microstructures. A triangle, as I said, is a possibility. If we see any break now above $195, yeah, $195, it would mean the wave 4 has already bottomed, probably, but it would still be a bit questionable because of this deep pullback. So we have to be mindful still that microstructures might change. What really matters is that we're holding support. For now, we are doing, yeah, but without any clear bottoming confirmation yet. But I think, like I see it on many other crypto charts as well, mostly these corrections have kind of played out nicely. We had nice B waves. Now we're coming back into support on some of these charts. And so we are at a key decision point, and today is also the interest rate decision. So it's going to be an interesting day. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X. Yeah, check out our X channel, X profile. There are additional updates. You can also ask questions here. I'll be there after this video to just answer questions if you have any. Feel free to follow there for additional updates, stuff about mindset, Elliott wave, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.